Hi guys, this is CL100 Able, and today I have a cold start video for 2011 Ford Fusion. So, let's begin. It's 43,000 miles. V6 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and power windows. Radio and CD.
Hungarian songs list. You heard one of the poetic and religious harmonies, number 7, Funeral. This is Concierto, music by Spanish composers and performers.
Nice cold air conditioning. It rides so little, it shifts a little rough. But it's a nice car. Good transportation. Cloth seats. Room for 5. Overall and non-too bad. And that's about it for all the stuff. So let's just turn the engine off. Well, that'll be it for this cold start video. So, goodbye everybody, and that's about it.